Good morning. This is another installment of Wisdom Wednesday from the Academy of Vandenbush Irrigation. And today we're going to be talking about a 12-volt power primer for your pumping system. Contrary to popular belief, these units do not suck. A power primer creates a vacuum in the pipe, and the outside air pressure pushes the water down into the pipe to the pump. You do not exceed, when you're using this unit, a straight lift of 22 feet. Physics will not allow a change in that. Do not exceed 45 seconds of continuous usage of the power primer. After 45 seconds, you shut it down and let it cool off and try it again. If it's not pumping, check your airtight connections. Make sure your hose and all the connections and fittings are rated at a 29 inches of vacuum. This unit is environmentally safe. No lubricant is required. It's not rocket science.